and welcome! So spring is just around the corner, or I like to be a little bit optimistic and just forget about the winter. And I wanted to do something a little bit springy, and I want to test out a cheesecake, and in particular a key lime mini cheesecake. Now that sounds so good. I found a recipe, of course, you know it, on Pinterest, and I wanted to put it on the test once again. So let's find out if it's going to get a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And I'm going to link it down below, the recipe, so you can follow it along, assuming it's good. And so check it out with me. And if you want to see more types of videos like this, don't forget to press that subscribe button. And if you want me to test out something for you, then comment down below in the comment section. I love reading your guys' suggestions and trying it out myself. So without further ado, let's begin.
To start off, you want to grab some graham crackers, and with the power of magic, you want to crush them and then place it into a second bowl. Next up, you want to grab the butter. Of course, I'm going to leave all the details on the recipes in the description box. And then I added the sugar and then stir that away. So that's it for the first step. Then you want to grab your mini cupcake tin and then start distributing the mixture evenly into the cavities. And then once that's ready, you want to put it into the oven at 325 Fahrenheit for just 5 minutes. So then this is part 2 of the recipe. All you gotta do is add in the cream cheese, and then you want to beat it with the blender until it is completely smooth. Once it's ready, then go ahead, add the sour cream. Then you want to add the granulated sugar and mix that away. Mix with the blender. Gotta love electric blenders. They save you so much time and effort. So then I added the lemon zest. That's what gives it part of the flavor. And then vanilla extract. And then you add in the green dye, and then you want to add small drops at a time, so you want to get the right shade that you want. Blend that away until you get this fabulous color. Okay, so next I added in the egg, and once again, you know it, we blended that real well. So that's it. Now you're ready to add in the cheesecake mixture, and I added about 1 to 2 tablespoons per cavity. And then you want to tap away the tin just to make sure it is all nice and flat. Once that's ready, you want to place it into the oven at 325 Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes.
And there you have it. That is officially Pinterest to the test. I give it a thumbs up. I love how this recipe turned out. It was easy to do, very easy to follow along. I love it when the instructions are just laid out for you and there's no way of messing it up. So thumbs up for that for sure. If you love key lime, then this recipe is for you. Definitely the taste is perfect. It's not too bitter, it's not too sour. It's just perfect. And the portion size was even better. I love the size. It was perfect for just right after dinner, a great dessert. And everybody loved it. There was no leftovers. You know that's when a recipe is really good. So test it out yourself, and I'm excited to hear your comments down below of what you want me to test out next. So I guess I'll see you all next time. Thanks.